So when you start your bike, does it sound like this? So it seems like sometimes on a compression stroke, the starter motor will stop turning the engine. It just seems like it turns a little bit slower than it used to. Usually it's the ground on the starter. Where I'm pointing to right there is the ground for the starter. It goes directly to the battery. That terminal tends to get corrosion on it. Even the slightest amount of corrosion will cause the starter not to turn the engine as fast as it possibly can. I'm going to remove that screw, get that wire out, clean it up with wire brush, and there's the wire. You can see it's got some corrosion on there. Doesn't look bad, but that's enough to cause issues with the starter motor. So I'm going to take the wire brush and clean that up real good. I'm going to do both sides. Nice and shiny. Now, take the bolt. I'm going to clean that up. Get that corrosion off of there. Wash it back on. Put the so-called star washer on. I'm going to clean that one up. I'll flip it over. Clean the other side. Do this washer here too. Alright, put that washer back on. Don't forget Loctite on your bolt. Now the hot part is getting that wire back in there. I know you guys can't see this, it's very tight in here. So it is what it is, you know what I mean? Doing the best I can. Alright, put that bolt back into the terminal of the wire. So there's usually two of these lock washers, one on each side of the terminal. So we'll just clean this one up a little bit. You got the bolts, the two washers, and the terminal is in the middle. So now we got to put this back into the starter hole. We'll start them out. Okay, she's all back together. Now I'm going to go ahead and start her up and see if she's any better. So there you go, big improvement. Now she turns over a lot faster and starts up faster. What a difference. So if you're having problems with your starter motor, turn the engine over slow, or even stopping on the compression stroke, check that negative wire on your starter motor. Clean it up, put it back together, and I think I can say, I guarantee it's gonna turn the engine over much better. You all take care. I hope this tip is helpful to somebody out there. God bless. See you all on the next one. Bye-bye.